Hi guys, my name's Betty Gold. I'm a senior digital food editor for Real Simple, and today I'm so excited to share with you how to make tie-dye sugar cookies. The reason why I love this decorating style is that it's really easy to execute and super forgiving, but the end results look really impressive. All right, so let's talk about what you'll need. First off, a batch of sugar cookies. You can use store-bought or homemade. You can choose to use Christmas shapes or Hanukkah shapes, but I actually decided to go with this really easy circle because A, you can use the rim of a cup to cut them out, and B, because I think that the circle actually makes the tie-dye pattern look really, really cool. Next, you're gonna need royal icing in whatever colors you want. You can choose to buy them from the grocery store, which is what I did. It's already at the perfect consistency. It's nice and thick, plus it comes in these handy squeeze bottles. If you do wanna make it from scratch, just follow our royal icing recipe on our website, transfer it into piping bags with a rounded tip, and then the only other tool you'll need is something that you can drag the icing with. I have this cool tool that came with a cake decorating set, but you can use a toothpick or a skewer. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just pipe a nice clean line around the edge of your cookie. And you don't want to hug the edge too closely, or you run the risk of letting the icing flood down the sides. And don't worry if your line isn't perfectly straight or even. Finish your first circle, and then move on to your next color. Hugging the inside of the circle that you drew as closely as you can. I would definitely not waste a lot of time being meticulous about this because the whole point of tie-dye is to be kind of a cool, hot mess. I actually really like including white here because I think that it adds really nice contrast. And just use each one time and then repeat your pattern, kind of forming the shape of a target. Another tip is if your icing is a little too thick and you're having trouble squeezing it out of the bottle, like I am right now, so long as it's microwave safe, you can put your icing in the microwave for about 5 seconds at a time, up to say 15 seconds until you get the desired consistency that you're looking for. And try to finish with something bright in the middle. So now we have this target shape of circles, one inside the other. And as you can see, there are some white spaces here, which is totally fine. We're just gonna use our dragging tool to very carefully fill in those spaces. So now we're gonna form the tie-dye. All you have to do is take your dragging tool and place it right in the center, and then just drag it towards the outside, stopping at the last line. And just repeat that evenly right around the cookie. I find that it actually helps to use your free hand to move the cookie around. So now that I've gone from the center out, I'm gonna do the same thing from the outside going in, making sure to be super consistent in my spacing. And you're done. You can keep going if you want. You can do more drags from the inside to the outside or vice versa, but I think I'm pretty happy with the way that this looks. I'm just gonna transfer this to a drying rack for about 45 minutes and let the icing harden. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. I'm gonna go make a couple hundred more of these. If you want more cookie decorating ideas, head over to realsimple.com. Happy holidays.